Right, well, here we are. We're going to talk a little bit about the electronic structure of atoms by solving the problem, write the ground state electron configuration for each atom. After each atom is its atomic number in parentheses. Here we can see sodium 11, magnesium 12, oxygen 8, and nitrogen 7. So we'll begin by looking at the periodic table. And we can find that on the periodic table, we actually have all the information that we need if we know how to read it properly. If we know that the 1s group has 2 electrons, as s orbitals do, we can find those where hydrogen and helium are taken into account. The first 2 electrons go into the 1s orbital. So 1s2 would be up to helium. Now, since we're looking all the way to sodium, we also have to look here where there's lithium and beryllium. We have go and see numbers 3 and 4 go here into the 2s group. And then electrons 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 go into the 2p group. So far to get to neon, we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we jump down here to 3s1. Sodium has as its final orbital 3s, and there's 1 electron in it. Magnesium, which is part B, has 2 electrons in the 3s orbital. So magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So now we have the answer to parts A and B. Sodium has a configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. And magnesium has a configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. And we can confirm these by adding the electrons. These should add up to the atomic number. So we add 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 6 is 10, and 10 and 1 is 11. So the atomic number matches up. Same here, we do 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 6 is 10, and 10 and 2 are 12. So it matches up with the atomic number of magnesium. Now, since oxygen and nitrogen are right next to each other, let's do those ones together too. We can find oxygen with an atomic number of 8 over here on the right-hand side of the table. So as we have already gone over, we have 1s2 and 2s2, but the 2p orbital isn't all the way full. Oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons in the 2p orbital. And we can see nitrogen here has 1, 2, 3 electrons in the 3p orbital. So the configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. And the configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So we'll go back and write down our answer. Oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. And we check that by adding 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So that checks out. And nitrogen, we said, has a configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. And we can check that by seeing that 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So all of these check out. I hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next video.